Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make dalgona candy from Squid Game. Let's get right into it. Okay, first of all you want to melt your sugar. Ignore the dirty stove because it's dirty. I accidentally dropped sugar on the stove and now it's burning. What should I know? Just use the other one. Okay, once it's almost melted, add baking powder to give it the color. Once this looks like this, you can pour it on baking paper. Okay, once you have poured it onto the paper, you can now do a mold. Unfortunately, I do not have a mold, so I must improvise. In this case, if you are like me, you must make the mold yourself. Just follow my steps. I finished with my shape. In this case, I have made a penis. Now you should let it cool for about 10 minutes. And you only have to wait for 2 minutes for this to turn hard like my cock. Oh fuck. Now it's time for the challenge. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm still alive. Dun, 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 dun. Fuck, I finished the challenge and I have lost because the candy is too hard, like my cock. The taste test. It tastes hard, like my cock. Okay guys, I've now transitioned into a cooking channel, so if you would like to see more of my content, please make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe. I'll be trying to upload daily, so be sure to subscribe. See ya! I forgot, next video would be a banger. Make sure to subscribe. See ya!